Yeah, here is the data plot. So yeah, it works. Here we have our data plot. But yes, but it's not quite our expected result. We expected a more nice layout, and for erase such points we have to write here in the data series that uh, here this is the data series data series data series set link set tick set create symbols set create symbols and set create symbols false so that there are no such points there. Set create symbols false, yes. And well, we are gonna make y-axis, the x-axis, set style.